For 41 days, I immerse myself in the sacred journey to Sabarimala Temple. It's not just a pilgrimage, it's a transformative experience. I adopt a strict vegetarian diet, cutting out alcohol and cigarettes, which helps me clear my mind and focus on my devotion. Walking barefoot connects me to the earth, reminding me of the humility and respect this journey demands. Each step is a testament to my faith, and every sacrifice strengthens my resolve. This ritual isn't just about reaching the temple, it's about the spiritual growth that unfolds along the way.